Hello everyone, it's David here at Digitrains. I hope you're all well. Here's our third and final video of our O Gauge Ruston 48 kit build from ALD Models. John has now finished the model, including a lovely paint job and weathering. And to really bring it to life, he has installed sound, stay alive and lighting. He did this by installing a Zimo MX648 sound decoder, a SP40x20x7 rail exclusive speaker, and our Ruston ZS48DS sound project. And to keep things running very nice and smoothly, he also installed one of our Lays 860009 stay alives. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little series of videos on this kit build. If you are interested in purchasing one of these kits, I've left a link in the description below. And if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.